we guide you through how to remove songs from your Instagram post. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap the post that has the music you want to remove. If the post is a reel, tap the three dots on the right side and select edit. If it's a regular post with music, unfortunately Instagram doesn't allow direct music removal after posting. So here's what you can do instead. Save the original media to your device by tapping the three dots and selecting save or download. If available, then you can delete the post by tapping the three dots again and choosing delete. After that, re-upload the same photo or video by tapping the plus button, select your save file, and this time simply skip adding music before posting. Make sure to adjust your captions, tags, and settings again before hitting share. For Reels, if the edit option is available, you can mute or replace the audio instead.